Ready to take control of your financial future? In today's dynamic job market, traditional employment is no longer the sole path to success. High-income skills have become essential for anyone aiming to thrive financially. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a freelancer looking to expand, or considering a career switch, developing these skills can set you on a prosperous path. But what are high-income skills? They're in demand, often digitally focused, and can be highly lucrative. Join us as we unveil 7 high-income skills that you can start capitalizing on today. 1. Copywriting. At the core of advertising, marketing, and even fundraising, copywriting is a foundational skill for any entrepreneur. The ability to write compelling and persuasive content can make or break your sales, marketing campaigns, and overall brand voice. Entrepreneurs skilled in copywriting can craft messages that resonate with their target audience, drive sales, and build brand loyalty. Whether it's a killer ad, a gripping email campaign, or a high-converting landing page, this is a skill that continuously proves its worth in the business world. 2. Data analysis. In the age of big data, making informed business decisions is non-negotiable. Entrepreneurs proficient in data analysis can identify trends, take advantage of market insights, and optimize their operations. They know how to use various analytics tools to derive value from customer data, improve business processes, and forecast future trends. This skill is crucial for anyone wanting to create a competitive edge and ensure every move is backed by concrete evidence. 3. Search engine optimization, SEO. Having a top-notch product or service is only beneficial if people can find you, and SEO is the key to visibility. Mastering the art of SEO can help your business rank higher in search engine results, drive traffic to your website, and increase your online presence. Entrepreneurs who understand and stay current with SEO best practices can ensure that their business is always at the forefront of potential customers' online searches, which directly translates into revenue. 4. Digital marketing. Digital marketing encapsulates a range of skills that are all highly valuable for entrepreneurs looking to succeed online. From social media marketing and content strategy to email marketing and paid advertising, this skill set allows you to reach your audience where they are most active. The online world is constantly evolving, with new platforms and tools emerging regularly. An adept digital marketer knows how to adapt swiftly, exploiting new opportunities for brand growth and customer acquisition. 5. Public speaking. The ability to communicate effectively and persuasively with an audience is a skill that can open innumerable doors for an entrepreneur. Public speaking helps you to present your message and vision with confidence, whether at a business meeting, industry conference, or investor pitch. Entrepreneurs who master this skill can inspire their teams, engage potential stakeholders, and build relationships that can propel their business forward. 6. Sales. The lifeblood of any business is its sales, and the art of selling effectively can be incredibly lucrative if honed correctly. Understanding sales techniques, negotiation strategies, and customer relationship management (CRM) systems is critical. Entrepreneurs who excel in sales consistently drive revenue and foster lasting client partnerships. 7. Strategic planning. Strategic planning is about setting objectives, determining what actions need to be taken to achieve those objectives, and aligning resources to successfully carry out those actions. Entrepreneurs with these skills can plot a clear path to success and pivot when necessary, without losing sight of their key goals. Strategic planning helps businesses to capitalize on strengths, mitigate weaknesses, take advantage of opportunities, and prepare for potential threats, steering clear of the pitfalls that can derail less prepared ventures. The bottom line is that by focusing on developing these high-income skills, you'll not only make yourself more valuable in the marketplace, but also open new avenues for income. Start by identifying which skills align with your passions and strengths, and plan to learn and refine them. Remember, the most successful individuals are those who are continually learning and adapting, so keep honing your craft and watch your earning potential grow.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. See you later for more exciting content. Take care.